Ms. Munoz here with a video to help you with the Bohr Model worksheet. And this video is for the stylus version. So this is if you have the PDF, and sometimes it opens automatically with Orbit Note. If it doesn't open right away, you might get this little option up here that says Open With. And you're going to click on the drop-down menu, and you're going to choose Orbit Note to open with that. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, there we go. Open with Orbit Note. It's just taking a second. Okay, then you want the pen tool, and you can choose whatever color you want to use. I'm going to write in purple this time. Okay. And when you scroll, if you scroll out to the side, that usually works the best. Okay, and I'm actually going to zoom out a little. I'm going to go to about 50% so I can see my whole screen at once, or the whole slide at once. Okay, and we want to be on pen to write. So we're going to start with hydrogen 1. Hydrogen has 1 proton. The number of protons actually match the number that you're on. Okay, why is this not writing? Okay, if it doesn't write, that means the website is glitching a little bit, and you just want to exit out and come back. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video for a second, and I'm going to come back. All right, so now I've got my pen back, and now I can write again. So, I thought I could write again. Okay, so 1 down here means I have 1 proton. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. Now this number right here means that's the mass number. To find out how many neutrons I have, I'm going to take that number 1 and I'm going to subtract the number of protons. So for this hydrogen, I actually have 0 neutrons. So I'm going to put a 0 right here. My protons is always equal to my electrons. So I have 1 electron. So I'm going to put an electron right here. You always want to put your electrons closest to the nucleus first. And my valence electrons are in my outer ring. And I only have 1, so I have 1 valence. That's hydrogen. The next one we're going to go to is boron. So here's boron. Boron is element number 5. That means I have 5 protons. You can also look on the periodic table and see its atomic number 5. Its mass number is 11. So I have 11 minus 5. That is 6 neutrons. I'm going to have protons equal to electrons. So I have 5 electrons. And I'm going to go, I'm going to fill my first ring first. So there's 2. And then I'm going to go 3, 4, 5 to get my last 3 to get up to 5 electrons. And so my valence are in my second ring now. So here is 1, 2, 3. I have 3 valence electrons. That's boron. And the last one I'm going to do with you is phosphorus. All the way back here. All right, phosphorus is element 15. So I got 15 protons. To get my neutrons, I'm going to do 31 minus 15. So that equals 16 neutrons. Now I'm going to do 15 electrons. So I'm going to fill my first ring to use 2. The next ring is going to hold 8. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to fill each spot with half filled before you do the second one. So here's 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 in the first ring, 8 in the second ring. That is 10. And I've got to get to 15. So here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for my valence, I'm going to go to my third ring, and I've got 1,